Hey everyone, this one for Eagle Lockpicking. He's just passed 100 subs, and to celebrate he's asked us to single pin pick a lock in the belt ranking system from yellow to black in under 45 seconds. If you don't mind, I'm going to do a shout out even though I ain't asked for one. My shout out is going to be for Sideways Si lock spot. British lad, he's just got his green belt and he's basically working his way through a load of challenge locks at the moment, so please get over there and sub him up. And yeah, let's try and do this now, shall we? Thanks. Go. There we go. 45 seconds. Let's go. And there we go. And we've still got 36 seconds to go. Congratulations, Eagle. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.